Welcome. In front of me is a Yamaha TrueX speaker 1A, and I'll be going over unboxing of this speaker. So let's just get straight into this. Well, the size is definitely a disappointing size compared to the box size, and I'm pretty sure there's a joke to be made there. Okay, so this is a pretty light speaker. Have a button. Pretty sure that's probably what turning it on. Oh, there we go. So yeah, we have some surround, solo, couple of buttons, volume up, down, play, probably pause. At the back we have our Type-C for charging. We have our thread for mounting it to the wall. We have left or right, and at the bottom we have space for base station, so you can just kind of plop it on and charge it. Now, by the looks of it, this appears to be a home theater speaker if he wants to use it that way, considering it has the surround kind of option and left and right. So let's see, 3-year warranty, no one cares, TrueX, whatever. Interesting enough, it's not really mentioned anywhere right here that I can see, but based on the fact that it has mounting for, well, thread right here for mounting, and the left and right separation, along with surround, that would probably mean that, like I said, this could be used as a, oh, there we go, as a as a home theater setup. Now this looks to be probably, by the looks of it, for soundbar, but I don't know if it's limited to just that. So anyway, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.